What's up everybody, it's Tristan, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to construct the golden ratio in Illustrator. So if you guys don't know what the golden ratio is, it's basically a mathematical equation that basically sets proportion in graphic design, and it's really good for making logos, for gridding, for layout. Basically, as you can see, like the golden ratio is, all around the world, all around the universe. Basically, as you can see right here, it constructs the perfect mathematical equation for this shell. And just even in paintings or oil paintings and everything like that, you can see, I'm not going to zoom in on that one, but basically you can see in design and in nature, the golden ratio is used in a lot of instances to portray proportion and everything like that. So basically, yeah, we're just going to get straight to it. I'm going to go ahead and move this back over here. So first off, what you want to do is you want to start out with any size box. It really doesn't matter because we're not... We're basically just going for proportion here. And so you want to alt drag this and then make sure this little chain is highlighted. If it's not, it'll only resize one side of your box here. So you want to have that checked, and you just want to divide by 1.618, and then hit enter. And you should have the perfect mathematical equation to keep doing this over and over again. I'm going to do it again a few times, and then I'll go ahead and time lapse it for you guys. So 1.618, enter. Alright, so basically we have the general construction. If you just command Y here, you will see the outlines of everything. But we have the basic construction. You could go on and on and on with this. You could even get to the point to where you're zoomed in this far and you could just keep on going and keep on going. But just for the minimalist stake here, I'm just going to show you guys how to make the curvature of the golden ratio. So you'll take out your ellipse tool and you'll start at this corner over here, and you'll notice that your smart guides will line up perfectly on the edge of this box. See where the intersection of the center of the ellipse will lock right into place right there. You want to take your fill, if you do have a fill, off of your circle, and then just go ahead and take out your Y arrow tool, which is your direct selection tool, and go ahead and delete these points because we will not be needing them for the rest of this representation. So now you have this curve, or if I can grab it, you have this curve here, and we don't want to modify it, so I'm going to switch back over to my group selection tool. And so yeah, we have our curve here, and we just want to keep rotating this until we fit this edge right here. But you see, we also have to go ahead and do the 1.618 thing. So I'll time lapse this to where I'll show you guys what the end result will look like. And as you see here, if you just want to speed this process up, you can just go ahead and rotate and just rescale it to the appropriate size of the box. But that's not exactly precise, but just for the tutorial purposes here and just speeding up the video, I'm going to go ahead and do that for you guys. But as long as you have smart guides on, I really don't see this being a problem. But yeah, basically I'm just rotating these curvatures, or these curves, down to the size. See how this isn't exactly the size, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that snaps. And then you can just keep on doing this over and over and over again. So We're gonna put this right there, snap that to that, and boom, guys, there you go. You have the golden ratio. So I will leave a link to the file of this if you guys don't want to do it yourself, but it's just something great to know, especially if you're if you're getting into proportion and really wanting something to enhance your logo design or your layout grids, and just it's really good for focal point. I see a lot of this in layout here. The golden ratio is used for kind of a focal point. Hello, these are coming in from this top left. Ooh, this is a very nice representation of a wireframe that has used the golden ratio. So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoyed learning how to construct the golden ratio. I know a lot of people on social media have been asking me to do this for a really long time, and so here it is. It's pretty simple. Do a little recap. Get yourself some boxes, divide each of them by 1.618, and just continue doing that into a spiral until you can get pretty much as small as you want in here. It really doesn't matter. This is mainly just for proportion, and you can also, like when you're doing a logo design, you'll know that you can take circles. For instance, let's say you're wanting a circle here, and then you can take these two circles and construct a logo from the two. Shift M, delete, perfect. But basically, yeah, guys, that was the golden ratio. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Comment down below on what you would like to see in the future, and I will see you guys in the next one.